Good day and thank you for watching my channel, Marvelous Mark TV. Please don't forget to smash that like button. Ganun pala. Mag-comment po kayo at mag-subscribe.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ganun dapat. Smash that button dapat.
Smash the diyan.
No.
Smash the diyan.
Smash that please.
Basta susubukan lang natin lahat ng mga heroes. Tignan natin kung sino maganda gamitin.
Welcome to Honor of Kings. You are on the red side of the map. Enemy minions will arrive in 5 seconds. All forces, move out!
Ano masasabi mo?
Ha?
A beautiful day.
Ano masasabi mo? Sabi mo kanya.
Maganda po ang laro. Parang realistic na talaga.
Ang pinis ng isa. Para pa naman kami may pang-stick ng kakampi ko. Kami kakampi ko, meron din mahabang stick. Wow, galing ah.
Galing na.
Ang galing, parang artista.
Sunod.
First blood.
Ginamit ko na to eh.
Fire.
Ayun o. Yan na ba to?
Yung babae na yun,
Yun o. Laban. Go. Hindi pa po.
ay, naabot ako. Hindi ka kalaban sa gilid. Napagtulungan ako. Babawi ako.
An ally has been slain. Coming for you. An enemy has been slain.
Pero ang ganda ng technique, no?
Double kill.
Iniikot-ikot.
Fabulous.
Ay, fabulous. Magpa-level nga muna tayo rito sa mga bagay-bagay na to.
Yan.
Cloud.
Ayun, iniikot-ikot niya yung ano niya, oh. Iniikot-ikot niya. Sabi niya, too difficult daw. Ano yung sabi mo too difficult? Pare-pareho lang naman yan. Yun, ang ganda lang tignan eh. Inikot-ikot na yung stick niya eh. Parang mga ano eh. Mga Chinese na mga ano eh. Na hero eh. Pag nanood ka ng mga Chinese movies, inikot-ikot yung ano. Mga ano lang, mga...
Dali High Court official business. An ally has been slain.
Yung isa yung crowd control, dapat wala na ano ko. Ito muna, kapalabang muna tayo rito.
I'm on fire.
Gusto ko yun eh. Meron ka naman sa mga Chinese movie.
Enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain. An ally has been slain. One with my spear.
Ano lang yan? Uy! Mas malupit yung isa.
Roaring sun. An ally has been slain.
Ako, 3-7 na. Napa-level muna tayo. Ang kulit ng karakter niya, si Yin. Yin pangalan niya. Ayun eh. Tabaw. Kulit ng technique niya eh.
An ally has been slain.
Yung nakamurot siya. Ako, lakas! Ang lakas!
Uwe.
Ang lakas ng kalaban. Pareho lang naman.
The Overlord and Tyrant have spawned.
Anong
Tower
kalaban
shields
eh?
have been shattered. Catapults moving out.
Naman yung kalaban, unahan kami.
An ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain. Oops.
Nasa 5,000 bagong magandang cellphone. 5,000. Naku, lakas.
Enemy killing spree. Your turret has been destroyed.
Susunod nga, magtatank na nga lang ako ulit.
Pace coming.
Malalakas ko na yun.
Mas maganda pa yun.
Ano yan? Second. Ay, parang
Go!
Ay! Ay! Ganda sana nung technique. Ay, napatay nila yung Lord, kaya meron silang dragon. Nakatakas.
Shut down.
Yun.
first, tapos second din.
Mga skill. Ang combination.
An enemy has been slain.
Perfect.
The Honglu Ministry is just after the Phoenix Gate. It's a lively place. An ally has been slain.
Oo nga, parang siyang ganun eh. Teka lang, patay mo na dito. Patay mo na yung manok. Patay mo na yung manok. Tayo na magmanok, magluto tayo ng manok. Oo, parang Chinese kasi itong mga to eh. Chinese characters eh. May dragon nga rito, kulay
Go-block.
An ally has been slain.
Ano yan? Dragon yata yan.
Sabi ang hort. Mga hort.
Ay,
Ay, no. Puro ano.
Your turret has been destroyed.
Why? Why?
Ano din nila yun?
Beautiful day starts with a patrol walk.
Yung mga pre na character dito.
Why? Why?
Ginamit ko na yun eh. Yung babae na yun.
Why?
Ay no. Malakas din yun eh. Ginamit ko siya.
An ally has been slain.
Pwede.
Laban, pwede pa gamitin yun.
Oo, laman yung grabe. 6 naman ah, 6:14. Ano ba yan? Tatalo yata kami rito. Baka unang beses na matatalo ah.
Your turret has been destroyed. A serious
Papa.
piece coming. Your turret has been destroyed. Ultimate not ready yet. Enemy rampage.
Sabi niya.
An enemy has been slain. Keep it up. An enemy has been slain. Enemy killing spree.
Tulungan natin.
I'm simply the best. I mean, my spear is. Relax. I'm not here to cause any trouble.
Ang pagkos, sama na lang sa akin. Tulong-tulong na lang. Tulong-tulungan na lang.
I'm on fire.
Pagsama-sama eh. Malakas pagsama-sama eh.
Ayun yung naman. Grabe.
Oo nga, magaling eh.
The Honglu Ministry is just after the Phoenix Gate. It's a lively Okay,
Kaya din niya,
start
bigyan
with
yung
the
tinapay
patrol
ulit. Ayos
line.
niya.
The Overlord and Tyrant have been enhanced. Cannons moving out. Your turret has been destroyed. An ally has been slain.
Naku, patay, lalakas.
Your turret has been destroyed. Enemy unstoppable.
Ang lakas ng kalaban.
Enemy rampage.
Uy, tinapay.
Our high ground tower is under attack.
Level 2.
High ground tower is under attack. And our high ground tower is under attack. Enemy has been slain. I'm coming. Your turret has been destroyed. An enemy has been slain. Our high ground tower is under attack. I'm on fire. Whole ministry is just like the ministry. It's a lively place. Yay!
Dapat di kami wahiwalay eh. Ako dalawa sa isa patay ito na kantigan ko.
Enemy unstoppable. An ally has been slain. I'm coming for you, thieves.
Mahirap pag mag-isa kayo. Dapat may kasama eh.
Iwanan niya na mama rin.
13 na siya eh. Ang lakas ng bawas nila. Ang lakas ng bawas.
Keep it up. Our high ground tower is under attack. Has been destroyed. Your turret has been destroyed.
Patay ako.
An ally has been slain. Our crystal enemy has been slain. Legendary.
Decision.
Enemy double kill.
Mahirap talaga pag naunang kayo mag-level up eh.
Our crystal is under attack.
Patay!
Enemy legendary. Aced. Our crystal is under attack.
Wala, matalo na kami.
Enemy double kill. Aced.
Oh, defeat! Pwede na nga. Wala, masad nang i-upload yan.
Defeat.
Isang dipit pa yun. Binawas na.
Mabawi tayo.
Magtank. Complicated niya. Nagagawin pa kayo sa isang board. Ikaw mo, Dad.
It's up to you how much excitement you can handle.
MVP yun.
God 3 na oh.
Pilipino? Ikaw lang Pilipino? Tank ka. Tank yan.
I shall carry on the legend with my heroic deeds.
Ginamit ko yung sanay ko. Yan.
Desperation sharpens my blade, while the souls of the dead fortify my armor.
Si Arthur mo.
Sans yan ba sans? Ginamit ko na sa sans.
Working towards the land of our dreams. It's so vexing to have no worthy opponents left.
Ayaw natin to.
Welcome to Honor of Kings. Enemy minions will arrive in 5 seconds. All forces, move out!
The threat of death gives me purpose.
Ano yung lingkod mo na
Yung,
Yung naray ko. Nung hapon.
hindi, ano yun?
Ang case yun.
Oo, yung Arthur. Ah, sino? Si Limbao, Lianbao. Takot ko sa akin. Takot. Namang na nga siya, level 2 na nga siya. Abangan lang ako yata nito. Style lang ako nito.
If I can't stay away, I'll follow the will of my sword.
Hindi tulong naman ako ng tao eh. Ito pala doon na tayo sa
Destroy,
mahinang nila lang.
but never defeat.
Mukhang lalakas naman to. Feeling ko in time.
Relax yung sword eh.
The threat of death.
Blood. You have slain an enemy. An enemy has been slain.
Ah! Lamang tayo.
Ay, napatay kami.
Enemy double kill.
Umumang tayo, bigla tayo nag-intro.
Ano yung kalaban?
Tayo lang ako gini.
Napatay ako eh.
My blade thirsts.
Pwede na yun.
You stand at the end of the road.
Maglaban tayo ng pareho tayo mahaba ang buhay.
Use a strategy.
Mas matibay siya. Tumakas ko eh.
Isa. Ano yung blue?
Kaya, ito yun, makunat. Makunat si Lian Bao.
If I can't stay away,
Naman siya, 6 yan.
I'll follow the will of my sword.
Meron may robot.
Kaya yun.
But never defeat.
Ako pa yata ako yun.
Hindi niya alam yung pangbagsak. Meron pang pangbagsak si Lian Bow eh. Yun,
Vikings.
yung babagsak. Boom! Yung gagawin.
And Titan has fallen. Tower shields have been shattered. Catapults moving out.
Ay, Lian Bow, Lian Pow pala. Lian Pow. Oh, si Mia, bigyan niyo ng tubig.
You
Ang
can
tubig
destroy
mo yung kapatid
me,
mo.
but never defeat me.
Mga 7:30. Yung enhance niya, yung spad niya lalapan.
Enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain.
Meron akong magaling nakakampi.
My blade thirsts.
Dotad. Yan! Ang ganda yung tatlo mo!
Slain an enemy.
Hindi siya, tatlo ano eh. Yung talaga dito kasi. Nakatakas pa yun.
Your turret has been destroyed.
Sige, gulo pa nga.
Enhance, lalapad yung spada mo.
If
Para
I
mas
can't
malakas
stay
yung
away
damage.
from it, I'll follow the will of my sword.
An enemy has been
Oy,
slain.
lumakas na kami.
An enemy has been slain.
Meron ako magaling nakakampi. Ibig sabihin.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
Nakasira na.
You stand at the end of the An enemy has been slain. Your team has destroyed a
Yung
turret.
robot eh, ito yung dadala sa amin eh.
Yan, yung open.
Ay, yung number 9. Kasi sa auto, level 9 yun.
Enemy rampage.
Yan!
Slain an enemy. Your team ultimate not ready yet. An enemy has been slain.
Ito lang, marami ko. Sige, ito patay.
Basic naman kasi pagka
Enemy unstoppable.
na na kayo sa pagpatay, mataas na yung ano eh.
Lahat basic.
Level ito, laban tayo boy. Ay, mas malakas na sa akin.
Kaya yan! Kaya yan! Kaya mo yan!
Ang malakas skill eh.
Kaya mo yan! Yung patuloy yan.
Ako na to eh. Malakas to.
Ay, kumala mo.
Killing
Wala pa
spree.
namamatay.
Killing
Yun!
Inakala ko, hindi kita kaya. Ipamura tuloy. Ang lakas mo, ang kunat mo, Lian po. Ang kunat mo, grabe. Nahirapan ako rin, kung hindi ako tinulungan ng kakampi ko, hindi ko nakakataya. Matiba yun eh, ginamit ko ngayon nung nakaraan eh. Si Lian po. Matigas. Nakunat. Made from ano, from abaka.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
My blade.
Sige, patay natin to.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
Dalawa kami.
Shut down.
Oy, yun yan.
Threat of death. It gives me crickets.
Kala ko matatalo pa kami rito.
13 na kayo.
An ally has been slain. Rampage.
Yan, ako na yan.
Double kill. An ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain.
My blade thirsts.
Yan.
Wait, nako, dalawa. Hindi ko kaya ito. Oh no. Ayun, sabi ko, yung dadagan siya na ganun. Malakas yun.
Sabi ko.
Malakas yung babawi yan sa akin. Napatay ko yun.
Destroy me, but never defeat me.
Grabe na kayo.
The Overlord and Tyrant have been enhanced. Cannons moving out. An enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain. Your team has destroyed a turret.
Ayan mo.
Ito na naman.
My blade thirsts.